Lily is a little girl. She has bright eyes and a big smile. Today is Lily's first day of school. She is excited and a little nervous. She has a new backpack. It is red and has a picture of a smiling cat. Inside her backpack are new pencils, a new notebook, and a shiny new lunchbox. Lily's mom walks her to school. The school is big and yellow. Lots of children are outside. They are laughing and playing. Lily holds her mom's hand tightly. She sees a girl with long, brown hair. The girl is sitting on a bench. She looks sad. Lily's mom smiles at Lily. "It's okay," she says. "School is fun." Lily takes a deep breath. She lets go of her mom's hand. She walks towards the school gate. The bell rings. All the children go inside. Lily follows them. Inside, the school is noisy. Children are talking. They are walking to their classrooms. Lily feels a little lost. She sees a sign. It says, Class 1A. Lily thinks, "That's my class." She walks into the classroom. A teacher smiles at her. "Hello," she says. "What's your name?" "I'm Lily," Lily says. "Welcome to Class 1A, Lily," the teacher says. "My name is Mrs. Green." Mrs. Green shows Lily where to sit. Lily sits next to the girl with the long, brown hair. "Hello," Lily says. "My name is Lily." The girl looks up. She smiles. "Hi, Lily," she says. "I'm Sarah." Mrs. Green claps her hands. "Good morning, children," she says. "Today, we will learn about the alphabet." Lily and Sarah listen to Mrs. Green. They sing the alphabet song. They learn to write the letters. Lily writes her name. She writes Sarah's name too. After the alphabet lesson, it is time for art. Mrs. Green gives everyone crayons and paper. "Draw a picture of your family," she says. Lily draws a picture of her mom, her dad, and her cat. Sarah draws a picture of her dog. Lily and Sarah show each other their pictures. They smile. Then it is lunchtime. Lily opens her shiny new lunchbox. She has a sandwich, an apple, and a cookie. Sarah has a sandwich too. They eat lunch together. They talk about their families. After lunch, it is time to play. Lily and Sarah go outside. They play on the swings. They play on the slide. They have so much fun. The bell rings again. It is time to go home. Lily's mom is waiting at the school gate. Lily runs to her mom. "How was your first day of school?" her mom asks. "It was great," Lily says. "I made a new friend. Her name is Sarah." Lily and her mom walk home. Lily tells her mom all about her day. She tells her about Mrs. Green, the alphabet, the art lesson, and lunchtime. She tells her about Sarah. When they get home, Lily puts her backpack down. She shows her mom the picture she drew. She tells her mom about the alphabet song. Lily is tired, but she is happy. She had a good first day of school. She is excited to go back tomorrow. She can't wait to see Sarah again. She can't wait to learn more. School is fun.